Hi and welcome to Angular. In this video, we will learn what exactly component is and how we can add a new component to our Angular application. Let's start with what is a component. A component is anything visible to end users and can be reused many times within an app. It controls a patch of screen called a view. There is already a main component called app component that shows the welcome page when you access on your browser with localhost 4200, and notice my cursor showing you main component. Angular component have three basic parts. First is template.html extension is the view of our application in which I am already typing. Will save and show you later on browser. And we have styling in which we can give styling for the component view. Second, a component have class that is TS TypeScript file that supports our view class like other programming class holds logic to control the view. Third and final, a component has metadata defines extra data for the class defined using decorator that determines how the component should be processed, instantiated, and used at runtime. In our TS or class file, we have a class app component and it contains one property title. To make this class a component, we are having component decorator that provides information. This is not a normal class, it's a component class. The component has a selector called app root. This is nothing but our custom HTML tag which can be used in our main HTML page. Like we are using this in our index.html, and you can see on your browser. When you specify this selector in your HTML, Angular renders the components template in its place. The components template is defined using template URL. It points to the HTML file in this component that is our view. That's how it got rendered in the browser. And next is style URLs to style our components view. This is empty as of now. Here we can give styling. That's all about component structure. Now let me show you how class support the view. I am changing my title in class and using in template. This is just an example. Later we will learn how to control our templates logic in class. Now let's create a new component by typing command in CLI command line interface command ng generate component and the component name. Now you may see newly generated component with 4 new files, and in app folder new folder with component name is created with 4 new files which you can ignore spec file as of now, that is testing file, and rest files are same as we discussed previously. And you can notice update in app module, that is we have to make our component as the part of module declarations. To use this component, we can go back to app component.html and use the component selector that is app new comp and run our app with ng serve. Now open your browser. Here we go. New component works.